Today we have the 2020 Mercedes-Benz EQC. This vehicle has done just under 51,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, and on the right we have cruise control. On our screen we can access settings, Mercedes Me Store, apps, EQ, comfort, media, radio, navigation and smartphone integration. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen is our AC with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can get a good view of our sunroof and see that we have a full leather black interior.